Alright, sweet. So we just finished up the last Lamborghini. There's a white Urus right here as well. Might as well get this one guy as well. And then I know there's a Mustang on this side and then a Corvette on the other side. So let's get to it. Easy, quick walk around. I like the little tree with it too. We'll try and get a shot with it maybe. Maybe like shooting through or something maybe. I don't know. It looked weird. I like these nice, what are these? They look really nice wheels. Massive wheels too though. Sweet. And still a good shot. Sweet. Alright, let's go to the edit. Ah, Corvette's gone. That's unfortunate. Nice Corvette. Alright, so let's get these guys printed. And then we'll do the Mustang. And that might call it for tonight, maybe. We'll see. We'll see what else we find. But yeah. Perfect. Alright, time to do the Mustang.